Hey, it's Don with this YouTube channel, nearly historical railroad channel that is. So anyways, today, just a few videos ago, I had mentioned that our little wireless router stopped working, and that's the one that connects our Y throttle to the Digitrax stuff so we can use our phones to run trains. But it died a while ago and doesn't work anymore. So I was driving around town and, well, there was like this estate sale. I just decided to go in, put my hands in my pockets, put my mask on and all that stuff and try not to breathe. Went into this old house and look around. I was like, yeah, there's a bunch of old stuff I don't care about. And then I saw this router. It's like, whoa, hey. It's all tangled up. I asked if they're selling it. So I bought it for like 10 bucks. Last one I spent $5 at a thrift store and a half hour looking for a wall to work for it. But anyways, so we're upgrading from a $5 router to a $10 router. So I'm gonna plug that in first. Then we'll move on with other stuff. Probably gonna work on Kenosha Pass, get some cardboard in, start getting the mountains going. All right, so stick around for that. The other one just set up there. I'm gonna have to get some screws to mount those. That was frustrating. Yeah. But it's there. Okay, so got the old router out, the new one plugged in and mounted, and that was kind of a pain. And I think we're gonna move it now. Because this one, whenever it lost power, it would lose its configuration, the old one, and then you'd have to like reset it all up and everything. So I put it the far end of the building, the farthest distance from the house, and just left it plugged in all the time. But then I realized I don't actually need to do that anymore. I can actually just plug that in with the rest of the DCC stuff. So when you turn the track power on, that just comes on, and I'll move it real quick. All right, I just plugged it in right there. Turn that on, layout comes on, and router should come on. This is much easier. So I got it plugged in there, so you just turn the DCC on and that boots up and comes on, and that's great. Except I think it takes too long for the Wi-Fi to like turn on and get going. Maybe it's better to put it back over there. God, this is supposed to be simple. Kenosha Pass. This is how it looks now. Get a closer look. So I'm gonna work on that some. Check back with you in a moment. So today, I went to make a thumbnail for the last video, and my computer is dead. It's broken. So I'm standing here shooting video, not knowing really how I'm going to edit the video. Hopefully I can get it fixed soon. I have to commandeer my wife's computer, maybe try and add a video with that. So anyways, if you're watching this video, well, you're watching it, and that means that one way or another, I either got my computer fixed or I found something to add it on. So, well, since we're talking about my computer, I'll just show you a quick look inside. I was able to fix it. The little M.2 hard drive thingy kind of worked its way out. Wasn't seated real well, I guess, somehow. I don't know how that happened. I don't know if we got little earthquakes going on or what. So I reseated that nice, and the computer's working good now. Which is good, because I was about ready to start ordering some parts and start rebuilding. But I got lucky that time, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna show you what I've done. I didn't shoot a whole lot of video tonight. I just kind of worked on the layout. Took my time, just worked on the layout. Let me show you. Kenosha Pass, the Palisades area. So I've got some structure to the mountain of how it's going to go, and I'm really liking how this is turning out. I like that I'm not having one big long cliff from here to there, but I'm kind of breaking it up. And what's neat is this lower part here, we'll just kind of go right into this area here. And it flows pretty nice. That would be a tunnel portal for the narrow gauge. Then this up here also, I think is just gonna kind of flow maybe into this area a little bit. So I am quite happy with all this. And I've kind of stopped a little bit because once again, I forgot to bring the plastic pieces that I'm going to be putting here to make this bridge. And I set up this support and this support, but they're not secured because I want to make sure exactly how long that bridge really is. It should be 80 scale feet, but I want to make sure for sure before I, secure those boards in and continue with the cardboard. But anyways, this, I like it. I'm liking the way this is turning out. It's gonna be good, I think. Again, we're gonna try and, do this wall. So for that, I am thinking of probably putting something like this in here, and then I can build a wall against that. Gives me kind of some structure to build it against. Still debating a little bit exactly where it's going to go. I really wanted to have this curve in there. I could do it in one spot, but it's a little narrow. So, and then I also want to be able to have this rock, and it's on the opposite side of the track there on the cliff side. So I gotta make sure I can get that in. I think it will work out fine. So I like the way this double portal is turning out. I don't think it's gonna be too awkward. There's some serious cliffs in this world as far as going straight up and down. And that's perfectly legal to do, I believe. So we got that router all hooked up and tested, and that's working really well, so I'm happy with that. Had to reprogram a couple locomotives, so that took a little bit of time also. But they're working now. They're the numbers they're supposed to be, so that's good. Anyways, you know what? That's that. That's the video. We'll see you next time. Hit the little thumbs up button. If you're up for that and that type of stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, go back and check out a bunch of the other videos. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, anyways. Dad's in the house. Here I am, blabbing again. I don't know. Goodbyes are so hard when you're out here by yourself. Man, I miss the other guys. Catch you later.